Welcome to my another video. In this video, what I am actually going to discuss is on numerology. So you would have seen my videos in personality development. Now this is a new video based on numerology, written by Cairo, the world-renowned neurologist. We all know that the presidential election for USA is likely to be held on 5th of November in this year. And recently, a couple of days before, it has been confirmed that from the Democratic Party, Kamala Harris is actually going to contest as Mr. Joe Biden has withdrawn his candidacy. And from Republican Party, Donald Trump is competing. So let us now discuss who has a brighter chance to be the next US president based on numerology. Okay. Now let us discuss. First, we will take the Indian origin Kamala Harris numerological data. Kamala Harris is commonly known as Kamala Harris only, though her name is Kamala Devi Harris. Her date of birth is 20th October 1964. Okay. So, according to Cairo, this 20th October 1964, the birth number is 2 because 2 plus 0 is 2. And the fate number, date, birth month and birth year, if you add it, total will bring to single digit. That brings 23 and 2 plus 3, 5. So her numbers are birth number 2, fating number or destiny number is 5. The Kamala Harris very name, totally it brings 26, and if we add 2 plus 6, which brings to 8. The election date is going to be held on 5th November 2024. So we will take that number of the date of the election, that is number 5. What actually Cairo says as a thumb rule is that in order to find the luckiest date, one should find the total of the birth date in single digit. The name total in single digit plus the date of the event which is going to be held. In this case, election. Okay. So if you add it up, if you add all these things, that number should be very compatible to the birth number or should be exactly like the birth number. If it happens, then the chances are very bright for that person. So now let us see how this is happening for Kamala Harris. Remember, as I told you, she was born on 20th October. So the number 2 we are taking. Her name total number brings to 8, which I already told you. The total name brings 26, 2 plus 6, 8. So adding this date of birth 2 plus 8, it brings to 1 because it brings 10, 1 plus 0, 1. Date of election is on 6th. So 1 plus 5, 6. So this 6 number, whether it is compatible to the birth number 2, this is what we have to find out. Cairo's book very categorically says the 2 will get along very well with 1, 4 and 7, not with 6. He has not mentioned. So in this case, the chances are not bright. It looks dim. Okay, in my analysis. And let us actually try to find out what actually Donald Trump brings in. Remember, let me share this with my viewers. The date of birth is very authentic source. I have taken the date of birth from both Wikipedia and Britannica Encyclopedia. So the date of birth is highly reliable. So one need not have any doubt on that. You can even Google it and then find out the date of birth of Donald Trump or Kamala Harris. Donald Trump, let us see, he was born on 14th June 1946. So the birth number only we are taking. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. His name total number brings 48. Donald Trump. Viewers must be aware, every English alphabet carries a particular number value. Okay. So I am not going to share the entire 26 alphabets value here because it will take time and not necessary. Those who are going to be in touch with me, I can share that knowledge with you. Donald Trump total number brings 48. In order to bring it to the single digit, 4 plus 8, if you add it up, it brings to 12, and then that 12 becomes 1 plus 2, 3. So his birth number is number 5. Name number brings number 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Which is the date of election? 5th November. Add that 8 plus 5, 13. It brings to 1, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Every numerologist in this world is aware that the most compatible number is number 4 and 8 is number 5. So he brings the total number 4 and 5 is supposed to be the best compatible number to him. So according to Kairos numerology theory and his rule, in order to find out the luckiest day for an individual, for an event, it goes to prove that Donald Trump is definitely likely to be the next president. He is going to assume the office for the second term. Okay, this is my analysis. I want viewers to make comments and then get me some feedback. Thank you for watching.